after my PhD, I really wanted to go and develop some new imaging techniques to, look at any neuroscience-related, vessel-related disorders. And obviously, most people, when they think about imaging, they're thinking about MRI or PET or CT, whereas there are these really new cutting-edge techniques where you can actually place a cranial window. So it's kind of similar to a window in the sense that you can place this in the skull of a mouse, and it really is like you're peeking in and looking at the brain under its totally normal conditions. You're not really interrupting anything that's going on, and you're just kind of looking in and seeing what's going on. So I was at Yale for the guts of 7 years, and I learned these techniques from a world leader there. And so it was quite exciting when the opportunity came up to come back and to potentially, the microscopes are here, but really kind of reinvigorate this side of research and to put hemorrhage as a key component of that, because really there's only actually one in Cornell, that have looked at hemorrhage using any of these methods before. So it really is quite, a new and exciting way of looking at things. And the other big part that was exciting for me coming back is there's been huge upgrades to a lot of the technology here in Manchester. So, luckily enough, there's been, I think it's a £500,000 upgrade to the microscope that I'm using. And that gives us the ability to look at lots of different cells and how they respond to a bleed. So my interest is to use these windows, look at these bleeds, and look at how all the cells in the environment respond to it. And it's really useful to be able to look at all of these different cell types, because if we only look at the bleed in one cell, we really don't know what the full picture is. Whereas, going back to the window analogy, if you're peeking in and you're looking at someone's living room and you see a teenager cleaning up, you think, oh, he's just cleaning up. Whereas, unbeknownst to you, it could be his mum is over in the corner telling him that he has to clean up. So it's really important that you're looking at all of these different cell types in combination in a relatively, normal, uninterrupted environment.